So one of the things that I think is a really hard fact to talk about is when we look at the suicide rates among men and then veterans. So although men in general comprise about 50% of the country, they really make up 80% of suicides. And then when we look at veterans, they have a big disproportionately outsized incidence of also dying by suicide. So we know that the combination of them just simply being a male and them being a veteran, and then on top of it, maybe more easy access to firearms.
Yeah.
When you're in crisis and you've got a tool that could hurt you, whatever the tool is, and in this case, it is number one way that they die by suicide is through guns or firearms. That's a combination we can't come back from. And so I think there's a whole world where we have to really look at that piece and what can we do about the depression that leads to hopelessness, that in some cases also leads to suicide.
But I mean, I was reading a stat that once there is a gun in the house, that ramps up the stats for suicide. It spikes really, really high, the risk for suicide. Yeah.